Hi guys, here again, year 7, chapter 1, integer, the negative number continue. For 1.1, actually we have learned what is the negative number by going up and going down and apartment. Okay, now we need to do some solution and question. We may need a number line. Here I have from negative 17, negative 16, 15, 14, 13, and until 0 and 1, 2, 3 again to 15. So I have this so that to help me to explain and to help you all to understand how to solve the question. Negative number explain. So when you have 9 plus what equal to 3? Just like what we have learned before, you are at level 9. Now you need to go to level 3. Level 3. Okay, let's have our number line back here. We have level 9. We need to go to 3. From 9, we need to go to 3. So, first, you are standing here. You need to decide which way to go. Go to the right is the positive number, whereas go to the left is negative number or minus sign. So every time you have positive, you follow exactly what you are ahead to your direction, but when you have negative, you need to change to the other side. For example, if I have two negative for this person, this small baby, negative. Firstly, the first negative, I decide to go to the left, but the next negative means that I turn around, I reverse it and go to the other direction. So if I have another negative, that means I need to turn back again. So again, that's left. Okay, so come back to our first question. Now we need to go this side to number 3. So we need to count how many steps we need to move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 steps to the left, negative. So here we need to go back to our question. So 9, we need to move what? We need to move to the left for 6 steps. Then we can get to 3. When we go back to our previous apartment, we need to go down 6th floor so that we can get to 3rd floor. It's the same thing. So we need to look for another question now. This is the second question, negative 6 and negative 10. Okay, so allow me to move out. And then we have the paper. We need to move from negative basement 6 to basement 10. This is the other girl. Maybe this is a girl. She need to move to 10, which is here. So also this is a left direction, and then we need to count how many steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's negative 4. Negative 4. That means the person is standing at basement 6. Now she need to move down another 4th floor so that he can reach basement 10. Negative 10. Okay, number 3. At what floor? You already moved out 5 level. Then you reach negative 10. You already moved out 5 level, but you only reach negative 5. That means you must be further negative. Yes, we need to have a look with this. We already move 5 steps to the right, but only we can reach negative 5. So now we have this one. Maybe we go down a bit for the questions. This one. We had already moved 5 steps, but end up I only reach here. That means I already moved, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, come. We move from here 1 step to the right, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So we are moving this direction. So this is positive 5. We move 5, and then we reach at negative 5 here. So we start from negative 10. Yes. When you are at negative 10 floor, you go up 5 floor, then you reach negative 5. That means you reach at basement 5. Okay, this is when you go for shopping. You know that this very well, right? Okay, so this is the third question, which means that for here, you go out 5 floor, but you reach only negative 5. That means you are starting at negative 10. The number four, D. You go down 5 floor, then you reach level 7. You go down 5, then you reach level 7. Okay, so I need to erase some of the previous work. Allow me to do that. Okay. You already go down 5 floor, 5 level, then only you reach about 7. Okay, so we reach 7 here. We reach 7 here. But this is a result of going down 5. Okay, can you see that? A result of going down 5. That means I going down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, this direction. 5. So I can count back also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So initial means I start at level 12. It makes sense, right? Can you see that? I'm at level 12. Then I go down 5 level. I reach level 7. Okay, this is number 1. Then we have another one. Okay. Now you are at 9. Now you are at 9. You are at 9. But this is a result of, going left 5. That means I need to go back on the other side. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Initially, I start at 14. Then I go to the left hand for 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I reach at level 9. So the number for this will be, initially I am 14th. I go down by 5, and then I get to the 9th floor. Again, this is the difficult part coming in already. Okay. What number, when I turn to the left and then turn to the other side again, 5, I get 9. Okay, so firstly, we need to understand this part. This negative means that initially I go to the left, but another second negative means that I need to go to turn back. Okay, so actually I go to the right hand side 5, I reach to 9. Okay, again we need to erase this one. We are finally at 9, but this is a result of going to the right hand side for 5 steps. So I need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, initially I'm here at 4. So I go right for 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I plus 5. So now you know that negative 5 actually is positive 5. Some teacher would like to teach the student that actually you can use a very simple trick to find out what is the result for negative. Okay, for example, you have 1 stroke, 2 stroke. So when you have 2 stroke, 2 negative, 1 stroke, 2 stroke is end up as positive. If I have another one, negative, 5, I have 1 stroke, 2 and 3. I have 3 strokes. So end up is like 1 stroke, 2 stroke, 3 stroke. So it's a negative 5. Yes. This is the easiest way so that we can learn about negative number. But if you know how to turn the direction, it can help you to know this one as well. So just now, from 4, we turn to the right hand side for 5 level. From 4, we go out for 5 level, we reach level 9. Okay, so this is another question, but this one, you need to be careful. Okay, is at negative 6. Okay, you are ending, right? The last one, you are at negative 6, but this is a result also. See, okay? The first negative turn to the left, and then the next negative you go to the right again. So you mean, which means that you need to go to the right hand side or go up level for 8 steps. So actually this way 8 steps. Okay, so we can count back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we start at negative 14, and then we go to the right hand side for 8 steps, or going up for 8 floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we reach the negative 6. So the place where we start is negative 14. Okay, I hope actually this will help you a lot. Okay, and then we have H. To the, this is 19. Oh, this is negative 19. It's longer than my line. Maybe I change it to negative 16 maybe. Okay, so let's cancel out this one. We replace by this one, negative 16, because it's out of my line. Can you see that? Okay, wait for a moment. Let me erase it. Okay. So you need to reach at the end negative 16, but it's a result of going to the left hand side for 7 steps. That means I go to the left hand side for 7 steps initially, and then I get to the negative 16. So I need to count back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's around here. Okay, why not we double check with our answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, negative 7. That means I go to left hand side, this side, for 7 steps, initially from negative 9. So my answer will be negative 9. Okay, so this is how we solve this question. I have another last one. Bear with me for some time, because this is good for your training. From 7, we do something and go to the 9. Okay, from 7. Okay, I'm standing here. I need to go to here. Okay, but the problem here is I start with negative. That means the person want me to go to the left hand side. The question want me to go left hand side, but if I go on the left hand side, I cannot reach my 9. It's on the other side, the opposite direction. So I need to turn back. So this is the first negative, and this turn back is another negative. Okay, so another negative, but how many steps I need to go? I need to go 1, 2. So I need to go negative 2. So the answer for this one, obviously, I think you'll get the answer is 7 minus 2. This minus is for going the left direction, and this negative is for turning back to the other direction. Okay, again, I think these two questions is about the same. Okay, you are at level 10. You need to go to 15. But the question asks you here, go this direction, but no, because you need to reach 15, so you need to change the direction yourself by negative, and then the second step you need to count how many steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so it's negative 5. So my answer now is negative 5. Okay, these are the two last questions. Okay, this again is negative 9. Negative 9. So you are standing at 7. You are standing at 7. You are going to the left direction, left hand side, and then you need to reach negative 9. Okay, this is when I stand at 7. I need to go this direction, and then I get to the negative 9. I think that's correct, right? The direction given is just give us the answer and direction. So this is negative. I think the negative is there. I think it's correct, but we need to count how many steps from 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. So negative 16. Negative 16. But some student, I think you are smart enough to have a sense that this one, this one from 0 to 7 is 7 steps, and then from negative 9 to 0 is another 9 steps. So altogether you get the distance here between 2 are 16. Okay, so the distance is 16, the direction is left, so you have negative 16. The last one is negative 10. Go to the left hand direction can reach 15. Do you think you can do that? Okay, let's see. You are standing here at 10, negative 10, and then you go to the left hand side, you can reach to the 15. Do you think you can do it so without changing the direction? No, we can't. So we need to change our direction to the other side. Obviously, this is another negative. And then how many steps? Okay, applying the method just now I showed you, you no need to count. From negative 10 to 0 is 10 steps. From 0 to 15, another 15 steps. So 10 and 15 altogether, you have negative, no, not negative, sorry. You have another positive 15. Or no need to write positive and negative. Okay, again, here to here, 0 is 10 steps. For the other side is 15 steps. Altogether is 25 steps. So the direction will be left, yes, but not. We need to go to the other side. So it's negative 25. Okay, come, let's have some division. This is year 7, chapter integer. And then we need a number line to help us to move. Okay, and then we have this question, another, and another. We still have one last part for this negative number. Stay tuned. And this is 1.2 and the next will be 1.3. Thank you.